First, I want to ask you, first, of course, thank you for joining us this evening. And then secondly, when you saw the first 19 photos today, and then if you've had a chance to see any of the recently released photos, what do you see as a criminal defense attorney? What do you see in these photos being released today?
I actually think that is a really great caveat to put on it. As a criminal defense attorney, I don't see much at this point. What I see is photos that don't have a lot of context behind them in terms of timelines, relationships, and just overall context about who these people are, when they had access, and what they had access to. So right now we have photographs that indicate that there may be some relationships that many people knew existed to begin with, but whether or not they point to a grander investigation is going to take much more context to establish.
Context has been the thing we've been missing all day long. There's, of course, the criminal court, and of course, there's also the court of public opinion. Which one do you think is more impactful in this case?
I think right now the court of public opinion has definitely prevailed. I mean, there's been this push for so long about transparency and accountability, and with the Epstein files, and everybody's waiting to see what happens in the coming week. But ultimately, as these photos are coming out bit by bit from the estate, I think what people are kind of getting from it is that it corroborates for their public opinion that, oh, there's a deeper story here than some people have led on. Many people have tried to distance themselves from the Epstein matter, but overall, it's showing that these relationships may have ran a little deeper than most want to let on.